Most business owners focus their marketing efforts on building a solid digital presence and following significant social media metrics. Quite unfortunately, though, they seem to neglect to take care of their landing pages. But what good will it do to reach out to prospects through your overall marketing strategy if you fail to convert them once they land? Digital marketing has everything to do with acquiring leads with a proven potential to purchase your product or service. A successful landing page is one of the most powerful tools in your arsenal to drive revenue, reduce your website's bounce rates, and increase email subscriptions. That is a lot to lose, right? To make sure there are no such losses, you should stay away from generic, ineffective landing pages and create functional and easy-to-navigate pages. They should also have an attractive layout that makes them stand out from the ones launched by your competitors. Of course, making sure your landing pages fill in all the boxes is a job easier said than done. 1. Moozend. Moozend is an email marketing automation platform that provides solutions for managing newsletters, automation workflows, landing pages, and more. Moozend's landing page builder is easy for anyone, even beginners, to grasp with an intuitive interface. You can customize your landing page by adding, removing, resizing, and previewing elements through its drag and drop functionality. Want to save even more effort? Benefit from the variety of ready-to-use, stylish, and fully customizable landing page templates. You don't have to create one from scratch, but you can readjust it to your liking. Moozend also offers you fast-loading pages, quick publication through its WordPress plugin, a flexible form builder, anti-bot protection, a broad selection of integrations, and CRM tools. Moozend's pricing starts at $9 per month with its Pro plan. There is also a 30-day free trial that includes unlimited emails, automation workflows, and one landing page. 2. Leadpages. Leadpages has switched from a landing page builder to a lead generation platform with a website creator that focuses on conversions and sales. Its drag-and-drop builder is easy to grasp and contains a variety of templates. With Leadpages, you have the ability to use and customize effective templates, no tech skills required. Not only that, but there's the option of designing a website from scratch if you don't already have one. Your landing pages can be published on your own domain or a Leadpage one, which gives some peace of mind for temporary campaigns. And it has nothing to envy from competitive software in terms of integrations. Leadpages is not limited to landing pages, though. There are various lead generation elements like pop-ups, opt-in forms, or alert bars for you to add and gain leads from any page on your website. Leadpages pricing starts at $27 a month, paid annually, for one website but unlimited landing pages and leads. You can check how Leadpages works for your business through its 14 days free trial. 3. Instapage. Instapage is an advanced landing page builder and one of the most popular tools to turn traffic into conversions. And, as its name implies, it does so instantly. Instapage brags for one of the best visual editors in the market. Through it, you gain access to more than 100 pre-designed templates for various uses like product launches, online course registrations, appointment scheduling, and more. Its landing page creator is simple to use and doesn't require code skills. You can either create your landing page from scratch or have one of its reusable block templates tweaked to your preferences. With Instapage, you get your landing pages published and integrated with third-party services like Facebook Ads, Google Analytics, or almost every leading ESP from within the Instablock builder. Instapage plans start at $199 a month, paid annually, for its building plan, offering unlimited conversions and domains and access to its A/B testing. However, there are limitations on the number of visitors, published landing pages, and team members. To avoid them, opt for a higher plan that can be customized to your business needs. There is also a 14-day trial plan available. 4. Lander. Lander is a notorious landing page builder that focuses on crafting engaging landing pages in minutes. It's also one of the most affordable tools in the market. Lander's Editor comes packed with a vast collection of ready-made, beautiful templates which can be leveraged for different objectives, ranging from app downloads to product or service launches, lead capture, event announcements, and more. Some of its features include its handy drag-and-drop editor, dynamic text replacement, Facebook landing pages, and an A/B testing tool available for every Lander package. The basic plan starts at $16 a month, paid annually, and gives you 3 custom domains and up to 5,000 visitors. If you think this option is limiting, the business plan costs $83 and offers 10 custom domains and up to 25,000 visitors. You could also check its 14-day free trial, available for every Lander package. Beautiful and responsive landing pages are a prerequisite for your lead generation efforts to succeed. Remember that they have proven to drive better conversions than other web pages or any type of opt-in form. An effective landing page builder makes your life easier, allowing you to create engaging landing pages without having to learn how to code or hire conversion experts. Exploring all potential options to find the best landing page builder is never an easy task. First and foremost, you must find out which features are essential for your business objectives. Perhaps even try some of the tools suggested before deciding. In this video, I have just talked about those 4 sites, but there are a lot of sites I do not touch in this video. Maybe I will share to you in another video, but this is all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you like this video, give a like. For any comment you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching.